Hey, what's going on, guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the node list and nodes. So what it does is when you go there and check use the query selector. So first what I'm gonna do, var products, prod will be okay, for sort for that, and documents dot. Now what we gonna do is use the query selector. Wait, what? Yeah, query selector all. After that, what I'm gonna do, we use the usual way how we select those. So here let's find one thing, product list, right? That would be epic. So here what I'm gonna do, take that, and it's always return a something type called array, right? If you are thinking that is totally wrong, you will realize why. And dot name, now we can find the name, the dot name, it's a class here, and li, these are the li's. So when you do that and throw that and check what inside prod, you can see it's a node list. So this is a closer type to the array, but this is not array, this is called node list. And what node list does is it gonna give you the type of node. And now you're gonna ask, hey, what node types? There are many types of nodes, so we're gonna get into one by one now. So first what I'm gonna do is create what we call another query selector. And now let's begin. First, what node is, let me show you. The elements which inside these are all node. Inside this is also node. Everything is node. There is another type of node, the text node, which is here add, and the product list, all the products are nodes, and the attributes are node too. So these are the types of nodes. So what we need to do is check the node type. So now you're gonna ask, hey, what node type is? Let me show you. So const banner, I already have a banner tag. So let's begin. That's document dot, we're gonna use the query selector. So query selector, and now we're gonna pass hashtag the what we call the page banner. Here we're gonna use the page banner, and after that, when we put that inside, now if you want to know what node type is the page banner is, so when you do that, now use the banner dot node type. You can see it's 1. Now you're gonna ask, hey Asad, what's 1 means? It doesn't clear me at all. So go to the what we call node types in our W3 schools. Again, it have a great explanation about those. So if it's a 1, it's a element. 2, it's an attribute. 3 will be a text, and 4 will be a CD data section. If you want to learn about more, just keep watching my old tutorials. I have a depth about that. 5 is the entity reference, and 6 is the entity, and there are lots and more, So this is the way it does. We have more command with related to the nodes, like it has a node name. If you directly want to use those, so it's called dev. The node name is dev. You can see it here already, but for clearance, and if you are like used to use the logical operators to comparison that is the div, so you need to all should be uppercase, or either it's not gonna work because it will always let you need the uppercase. Now you can check it has childs or not. Just type has child nodes, and keep in mind this is a function, so throw that and you will get, yeah, it has a large child, you see here. So this is the way we can do that. So, and there is one thing more, which is clone. You can clone that. So what we call something created const, or you can also use a let, it's all up to you. So cloned equals banner, which will be equal to banner dot node, and what we're gonna pass is true, right? This is the way we can clone those. Sorry, you need to type clone node, and clone node true, throw that, and just type clone node, and you can see it's totally there, right? The value of this and this is same. So this is the way we can do this. So hope you guys cleared the what we call the nodes. And no, it's not the Node.js similar to Node.js. This is the whole another topic, and this is all about the DOM. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.